Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a second chapter in our English, that is wonderful waste. Waste means the things which are not of any use. But on the other hand, waste can be quite useful. How? That is we are going to learn from this story. Let us start with the story. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. Travancore, it is a place in Kerala. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. Before the dinner, the king wanted to have a quick look of the dishes that has been prepared by the cook for the feast. He want to make sure that everything that has been prepared by his cook is good enough. So for this, he went to the kitchen. What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of the scrap near the cook. When he entered the kitchen, he saw there is a big basket full of scraps. He asked the cook, what you are going to do with these scraps? Scraps means peels of vegetables. So he asked the cook, what are you going to do with these scraps? The cook replied, they are waste. We will throw them away. He replied to the king that, sir, these are the waste things and of no use. So we will throw them away. You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetable. But the king got angry and he said, no, you are not supposed to waste these things. Find a way to use them. You just think and use them as nicely as you can. The Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. He ordered to the cook that you are responsible for using these things and use them as nicely as you can. He ordered to the cook and just walk away from the kitchen. The cook was in a fix. He was in a situation hard to escape from. Means he is supposed to use those scraps. He kept at staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. For some time he just stared the vegetable scraps and started trying to think how he can use these scraps. Suddenly, the idea flashed across his mind. Suddenly, he got an idea. He took all the vegetable peels, washed them and cleaned them well. He took all the vegetable scraps that was lying in a basket. He took them, washed them and cleaned them well. Then he cut them into a long strips. He took all the vegetable scraps and washed them, cleaned them. Then he started cutting them in a long strips. He put them in a huge pot. He took a huge pot and put all those things in a pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next, he ground some fresh coconut. Next step that he took was fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic. He took them together. He grind them and he added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. All the vegetables that he has already put in a pot, he added that paste and some salt to those mixture. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. After some time, when all the vegetable scraps started cooking, the tempting smell came out from the pot. Now he heaped some curd. Later on, he took some curd, added it to the curry. The thing that was cooking in a pot, he added a few spoonful of coconut oil in it and decorate the dish with curry leaves. The dish that has been now prepared, he decorated that dish with curry leaves. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. Look, what a surprise! A new dish was ready. The cook served this dish to the guests that evening, and the cook was ready with his new dish. Then he served that dish in the evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish because this was the new dish. So everyone was eager to know the dish because they were having a very tasty taste from it. So they want to know the name of that dish. The cook thought and thought because this was a new dish. So he thought and thought. Then a name came in his mind. Suddenly he struck and he got an idea to keep the name Uvial to the dish. Avial now, from that day, Uvial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And from that day, this dish has become the traditional dish for the Kerala people. And imagine it all came from a basket of waves. Now can we imagine that a super delicious dish has came from the wonderful waves. So this was all about the chapter. I hope you all are safe in your home. Stay safe. We will meet in our next video. Bye bye. Take care.